Welcome back. In the series of minerals in India, we have discussed energy minerals, that is coal, in the previous class. Coal is the most valuable energy mineral. Now let's discuss about the second most valuable energy mineral, that is petroleum. Alright, now let's see where we can find petroleum oil fields where you can find in India map. So first we divide the oil fields into three groups to understand them easily. So first, west coast offshore fields, west coast offshore oil fields. Then comes Gujarat, then Brahmaputra Valley. Alright, west coast offshore, Gujarat and Brahmaputra Valley, we find the major oil fields, petroleum oil fields. Now let's first see the west coast offshore oil fields, the major ones. Coming here, as we know, this is the west shore, this is the region, the first region. So first we'll see this one. This is Mumbai High. Mumbai High is very important and it produces 65% of the total production of oil in India. It produces 65%, more than half. So it is very important, Mumbai High. Coming to this one, just above Mumbai High, we find Bassein. And yeah, now coming to this one, in Gujarat, here we find another one. This one, it is Alia Bet. Alright, so these are the offshore islands, offshore oil fields, west coast offshore oil fields. Now Mumbai High, Bassein, these two belong to Maharashtra, then Alia Bet belongs to Gujarat. Now what is the speciality of Alia Bet is, it is a river island. It is an island situated in the river of Narmada. As you can see, this is river Narmada. Right, this is river Narmada. Okay, not this. Yeah. This is river Narmada. So here we find Alia Bet at the mouth of river Narmada. So we can count it under offshore oil fields. Coming to the next, west coast offshore oil fields finished. Now we go to Gujarat. So in Gujarat, mainly we find this one. Okay. So remove this. Yeah, this is Alia Bet. Coming to the second division, here we find Ankleshwar in Gujarat. Ankleshwar. This is very important oil field in Gujarat. Coming to here, in the Cambay region, we find Lunaj. Lunaj is where the petroleum oil was first found in Gujarat. It is situated near the Khambat city. As we know, this is the Gulf of Khambat. And coming to here, as we know, this is Ahmedabad. And above it, here we find Kalol and Ahmedabad. So yeah, that's it for the Gujarat oil fields too. Now moving on to Brahmaputra Valley. Actually, what are we discussing now? We are discussing major oil fields in India. Alright, coming to Brahmaputra Valley, here, as you know, this is the Brahmaputra Valley. So we can extend it up to here also. This is Brahmaputra Valley, but here we find mainly in North Assam. So first this one, this is Digboy. It is the first oil field in India, found in India. First oil field in India. And coming to here, this one, this is Naharkatia. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Yeah, So this is Brahmaputra Valley oil fields. Very easy. West coast offshore we find in Maharashtra and Gujarat. Coming to Gujarat, in Gujarat, that is mainland, not offshore, Kalol, Lunaj and Ankleshwar. Coming to Brahmaputra Valley, Digboi and Naharkatia. Very easy. Now let's see. There is this. Now let's see what we have seen. Now we have seen oil fields, major oil fields in India. Now let's see major oil refineries. Alright, major oil refineries. Right. So we start from Mumbai, that is, in Maharashtra. Here we find Mumbai. This one is Mumbai. Then about it, here we find Trombay. Is it visible? Yeah, alright. So in Gujarat, here we find this one, that is, what was it? Yeah, Kayoli, yeah. Was it Kayoli? Yes, okay. Kayoli, now the importance of Kayoli is, as we have discussed, this is Ankleshwar. So from Ankleshwar, the oil is sent to Kayoli oil refinery. Coming to here, yeah, this was Koyali, sorry. So Koyali, alright. So here we find what was it? Yeah, Jamnagar, and here we find Vadinar and Jamnagar. In Gujarat, Koyali, Jamnagar and Vadinar. Coming to North India, here in Punjab we find Batinda. In Haryana we find Panipat. And coming to Uttar Pradesh, here we find Mathura. Alright, in Madhya Pradesh we find this one, it is Bina. Alright, Batinda, Panipat, Mathura and Bina. Coming to South India, in Karnataka we find this one, it is Mangalore oil refinery. Coming to Kerala, this one, it is Kochi. Then coming to Tamil Nadu, we find two. This is Chennai, familiar one, Chennai, and here we find Nagapattinam. Okay, let me write it bigger. Nagapattinam. Alright, coming to Andhra Pradesh, here we find this one and this one. So this one is Vizag, that is Visakhapatnam, and this one is Tatipaka. Alright, yeah. Now coming to Assam and this northeast India, here as I said, this is Naharkatia, right? This is Naharkatia. So this Naharkatia, from Naharkatia, this oil is sent to 3 refineries, major ones. So that one is this one. It is situated in Guwahati city. It is Noonmati. The second one is this one. It is New Bongaigaon. And next one is in Bihar. That is this one. This is Barauni. Alright. So from Naharkatia, it is sent to Noonmati, New Bongaigaon and Barauni. And in Assam, we find this one. So this is Numaligarh. And as we have discussed it, this is Digboi. As I said, it is very important. It also has its own refinery, Digboi oil refinery. Yeah, I actually forgot to tell you one thing in the oil field section. Here, between Numaligarh and Naharkatia, we find this one. This is Moran. Do not confuse, this is not an oil refinery. This is an oil field. Alright, I forgot to tell you in the previous time. when we were discussing the oil fields. So this is about petroleum, oil fields and oil refineries on India map. I will be back with another interesting topic in the next class. Thank you.